Canva with RFM. Welcome back to another video. This is Canva with RFM, and in this video we will learn how to master videos on Canva. We're going to be creating a card, so go to Prints, then press Card. Now we'll choose a template which has a video in it to make this a bit easier for us. Now we might have to do a bit of scrolling to find one, so we can also just use this. And we can just make the background a video. So we just go to videos, which is under texts. Canva has quite a few videos, even though a lot of them are pro. Now you can't see any here, but actually if you search for something, even something basic like train, you will see that 2 are free, and then these all cost money. There's a free one, and then again all of these cost money. So we'll need to find something that doesn't cost money. So I think this one, it would be quite cool to have a beach. So we'll go over to beach and we'll choose one. I think this looks quite nice, so we can just put it in the back. And I hope you can hear the noise. Videos actually have noise in them, which is extremely cool and fun to use. Now if you don't actually want to have this noise in your video, you can just mute the noise here. Now we're just gonna leave the noise for now. We might mute it later. You can also trim the videos on Canva by coming over here and then trimming them to what you want. Now because we're just making a card, we're not actually gonna trim anything. You can also again flip them just like images, so you can flip them horizontal or vertical. Now we're going to flip it back so it's back to normal. You can actually also make videos kind of transparent. Videos are very similar to images, of course, but they just are video. So because this has noise in the video, we're actually going to mute the video, and because you can mute the video for several reasons. Either you mute the video because you want to make something like a presentation and you want to talk, but you also want a video. So you would just make it full screen by pressing here, and then the video would just simply play, and then you could just talk. It's, I think, very eye-catching videos. So if you also want to have a video but you don't want the noise and you want music instead, you can go to more and do music. I'm not going to do an extra video about music like I've done with all of the other features on Canva. The reason I'm not going to do this is because I actually don't use music in my designs very often, and music is actually really basic. Just pick the thing that fits to your theme. So we'll just go back to videos because videos mostly about videos. You can also cut the video again, as I said, but we'll actually now try to cut the video. So you just cut this. So if I just want it this much, I only want it for 7.9 seconds, I'll just press done. You can also duplicate videos and you can delete them. I think that videos are so simple to use, also because you already learned how to use photos. So I hope you like this video, and I hope that you can create now a design using photos, elements, text, video, and even music if you want. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in this course by pushing on the playlist on the top left, and see you next time. Bye!